Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Deepakashri. So in this video I will show you guys an iPad mini first generation which I got from OLX for under $25. I got it for 2000 rupees Indian money, and if you convert it to dollars it's $25. So I'll show you the iPad mini. So here is the iPad mini. As you guys can see, I am using a smart cover. Okay, and I didn't get the cover, I had to purchase the cover extra. I only got the iPad mini and the charger. So the condition of the iPad mini is pretty good. As you guys can see, I have purchased a silver variant with 16 GB storage, and this is the iPad mini first generation Wi-Fi only model, no slot for SIM cards. And this is pretty much all device. Guys, this device was launched on 2013 and many of the latest apps won't run in this, as it's running still on the iOS 9. So many of the latest apps won't run in it, but if you have an iPhone or an iPad extra, then you guys can download all those apps you need in that and just go to the App Store and go to purchase section, and you guys can install many of the apps. Okay, and as you guys can see here, I have installed Gmail, Geo7, Spotify, Wikipedia, Oxford Dictionary, the Hindu newspaper, Google Chrome, and Amazon Kindle, and some apps for writing the notes. All the apps that I showed you now are working in this iPad mini, and no issues or lags while using these apps. Okay, so what you need to do is like in iPad mini, majority of the apps can't be installed right now. You should have an iPad or iPhone extra and log into that account and install all the apps you need to install in this device, and just go to this App Store and sign into the account which you have linked with the iPhone or iPad and install all the apps you need. But WhatsApp won't work in this, I had checked. Okay, and this device doesn't have much lag even though it's running on the iOS 9. It's very good device, as you guys can see. So guys, the reason why the seller was selling this product for such a low price was that it was having a slight pixel issue. As you guys can see, here is a pixel issue. It is visible only if you take a white background. Yeah, you guys can see here is a line. It's not a big issue for me, but then also there is a small pixelated line over here, and there is no other problem other than that. So only a pixel issue was there, and that was the reason why it was sold for such a low price. And if you guys ask me if it's worth to buy an iPad mini first generation in 2021, I'd definitely say it's worth. You guys can use the notepad. You guys can also use Amazon Kindle, Google Chrome, Wikipedia. Also you guys can listen music through the apps Geo7, Spotify, and it's a pretty good device in 2021. And also Safari is functional. You guys can browse YouTube and all in Safari, but YouTube you guys can only play it in 360p resolution. Since it's an old device, it won't run in 1080p, so that's only a slight drawback of this device. YouTube won't play in full HD, only in 360p it will run. But you guys can use the Safari, and also Siri is functional in this. And guys, the camera is also functional. It can record videos in 1080p through the back camera, and in the front camera it's restricted to 720p. But then also it's good considering it's a 2013 device. So camera is also functional, clock, stopwatch, everything is there, maps is there, and all the apps are working pretty fine even in 2021. Okay, so this is definitely worth for the price of 2000 rupees, and if you can get under $30, this is a very pretty good device even in 2021. You guys can use it for browsing, listening music, and also taking notes. So I am of the opinion that it's a very good device for the price provided in 2000 rupees, and it is worth to buy in 2021. So this is the smart case I bought along with it, and it's working pretty well. So only a small pigmented line is there. That's not a very big deal for me. Other than that, it's one of the best deals I have ever grabbed. That is, buying an iPad for under $25 is a great deal. So that was it about this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, and also subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Hope we can see you in our next video. Bye guys.